Cessna 351 uniform, Scottsdale ground, runway taxi up to and hold short of taxiway Alpha, follow a twin Cessna that's coming out.
Taxi up to and hold short of Alpha, then follow the twin Cessna 14 uniform. Scottsdale Tower, good morning. Skyhawk 3514 uniform, holding short Alpha 2 VFR northbound.
Skyhawk 3514 uniform, Scottsdale Tower, hold short, runway 3.
Holding short, runway 3, 14 uniform.
There we go.
Says 14 uniform, runway 3, line up and wait, traffic Cirrus, left downwind.
Line up and wait, 14 uniform, runway 3. Okay. Got lights, camera, action, we're good to go. Final looks clear. Use as much of the runway as we can here.
Number 14 uniform, traffic on the upwind Cessnas and left closed traffic, turn outside them. Northbound's approved, runway 3, clear for takeoff.
Alright, turn out to the traffic ahead, northbound approved, runway 3, clear for takeoff, 14 uniform.
Citation 1245, runway 3 at Alpha 2, line up and wait, traffic Cirrus, left downwind, midfield.
Alright, engine is developing full power, pressure and temperature look good.
Runway 3, Alpha 2.
And airspeed's alive. 50. 55. 60, rotate. And we'll climb out at 79.
Scottsdale Tower, good morning. Cardinal 34566 holding short of runway 3, ready for a northwest departure.
November 34566, Scottsdale Tower, hold short, runway 3.
Holding short of runway 3 at Alpha 2, 566.
Says 5 Charlie Pop, turn crosswind.
Turning Crosswinds, 5 Charlie Pop. Close to aircraft with wingspan.
Mike Charlie, get to turn base.
Alright, and our traffic turns
turn base, traffic
left.
holding position, citation, report in sight.
Got a
Traffic
decent
in sight, 6 Mike Charlie.
crosswind off the right
Says the
here.
14 uniform, maintain outer below 2,500, left turn outs approved, start your left turn.
Outer below 2,500, starting left, turn out 14 uniform.
Citation 245, traffic on the upwind Cessna's left turn out, restricted outer below 2,500 for you. Restrict, expedite your climb to 3,000 up to 5,000, and then runway 3 clear for takeoff.
Citation 1245, cleared for takeoff, runway 3.
We're about 8 miles. Deer Valley Tower, good morning. Skyhawk 3514 uniform, just departed Scottsdale, about 8 miles to the east, 3,000 information, Romeo full stop, or touch and go.
Shark 3514 uniform, Deer Valley Tower, make left traffic runway 7 left.
Left traffic, runway 7 left, 14 uniform.
Cessna 3514 uniform, follow Cessna, heading to your right over Happy Valley. Over
We got a downwind,
Got the traffic ahead, inside 14 uniform.
Cessna 14 uniform, number 2, follow that traffic, runway 7 left, clear, touch and go.
Number 2, following traffic ahead, runway 7 left, clear, touch and go, 14 uniform.
Cherokee 6.
And we are being the numbers, so I'll hold the power, start our descent.
63 Whiskey has traffic, we'll follow.
Under 100, flaps 10, get some drag. Alright, and he's not a factor. Well, I mean, I guess we could make him a factor if we really tried.
yeah, but base at the freeway works well.
Alright, we want to be at 2200 on our base turn here, which is pretty good.
Ah, yeah, I like that.
And as soon as he's a beam us, I'll turn base. And we got a beam wingtip, turning base. Shooting for 75 on this base leg after the turn.
Excellent.
Make sure we don't climb the turn here.
Cessna 3 Juliet Alpha, continue straight out.
Continue straight out, 3 Juliet Alpha.
What's your landing flap? Full
30.
flap?
Yeah,
Okay,
full
go
flap.
full flaps, okay. What's your short final speed?
65.
5 and 30 degrees. Rolled in a little early.
Well, especially with the parallel here, I don't want to...
Okay.
That's my excuse.
That's showing too much respect.
I have a history of, well, in my training I was an overshooter at the beginning, so
okay.
I try to overcome that.
There is a plane over there.
Cessna 212, stay parking.
North side, 8420.
Cessna 212, turn left, Alpha 8,
flaps.
contact ground.
I'm going to go to 7 if that's okay. 8420.
Cessna 212, turn left or right, next taxiway, contact ground.
Contact ground, 8420.
Cessna 212, no delay, traffic short final.
No delay, 212.
Okay, he's clear.
Cessna Mountain Mike Echo, number 2, follow Cessna, head to your left base over the freeway, runway 7 left, clear to land.
61.
Follow the traffic, runway 7 left, clear to land, Cessna 169 Mike Echo.
Cessna 3 Droid Alpha, turn crosswind.
Crosswind, 3 good out.
So what'd you think?
Of?
Your approach and landing.
I probably rounded out just a little bit late.
Cessna 1-4 uniform, continue straight up.
Straight out, 1-4 uniform.
Thinking a little slow. You were more like 60 in the round out, didn't have the energy to...
Rio Valley Tower, 9er 550.
I mean, it worked. Right.
At 11.9 nautical miles west at 3,500 feet, request touch and go.
And Deeper Tower, Skyhawk 3514 uniform would like to depart the area to the northeast.
Cessna 3514 uniform, northeastbound approved.
Northeast approved, 14 uniform. Phoenix departure, good morning, Skyhawk 3514 uniform.
Skyhawk 3514 uniform, Phoenix Bridge, good morning. Phoenix altimeter 2995, stay request.
905, and that's November 3514 uniform would like to pick up VFR flight following to Payson.
Where are you?
We just departed Deer Valley and cruising altitude 9,500.
Skyhawk 14 uniform, squawk 5344, 5344.
Squawk 5344, 14 uniform.
22904, maintain 5000 until ASCAP, cleared on a Bravo, approach circle, runway 4 right, advise the Suez. Number 3514 uniform, ready to contact 8 miles northeast, Deer Valley Airport, stay altitude and cruising altitude.
4,400 climbing for 9,500, 14 uniform.
Square 88, Mike Phoenix departure, ready to contact, good morning, stay altitude, climb and maintain 6000.
Leaving 4,000, climbing 6,000, Mike.
So, I challenged myself and I challenged my students, and I'm not very good at it.
Number 88, Mike, channel
Try not to use the words 4 and 2 when you're telling them altitude.
210, Mike.
That's good advice.
So you almost had it there. 4,400, climbing 9,500.
Did I say 2 or 4?
I think you said 4.
Switcher 697, reaching 6000, clear visual approach runway 3.
Good to shut on my 697.
Number 0, pop signature, right in 160.
Right turn 160, we're on a heading 160 now, 0 pop tango.
Number 0, pop signature, okay, sorry about that, fighting 170.
Right turn 170, 0 pop tango.
We got about a 15 knot tailwind though, so I'll take that.
Oh, that's nice for now.
Yeah, on the way
Don't
back
get
it's
used
going to be
to
not nice.
Yeah.
That's the worst. At least, I mean, if it's better that way, at least you get it one way. If you have to pay both ways, it's going to suck.
It is.
Alright, we'll trim.
Layer 3, Hotel Mike, contact departure 119.2. 1926,
And we'll leave.
Flyline 73, cleared visual approach, runway 3.
Clear for the visual approach, runway 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Flyline 73, contact Scottsdale Tower 119.9er.
Trim some more.
19.9,
Number 3514 uniform, reset transponder, squawk 4316.
Squawk 4316, 14 uniform. We're going to go on the left side here.
Okay.
We're heading north anyway. When I flew in last time, I landed and departed at 24. Actually, that was my first flight after I got my ticket. So that was my second flight.
Radar service terminated, squawk
First flight was I went down to Sky Harbor with my instructor and just did the landed there. That was fun. Okay. And then when my dad came in, we flew up to the crater, circled the crater, the meteor crater that I always wanted to see, and then went to Payson.
Okay.
That was fun.
Skyhawk 3. Contact Albuquerque Center 127.67.
Was that for 3514 uniform?
3514 uniform, contact Albuquerque Center.
Contact Albuquerque Center on 1276714 uniform.
Pull down.
Albuquerque Center, Skyhawk 3514 uniform, level 7,600.
Skyhawk 3514 uniform, Albuquerque Center, roger. Payson, altimeter 3004. And I'm going to lose you on radar shortly. Radar service is terminated. Squawk maintain VFR. Frequency change approved. Okay.
04 on the altimeter, squawk and maintain VFR. Thank you. Good morning.
Southwest 4736, contact Albuquerque.
Didn't give my tail number. Whoops.
3.902. 3392, South 40.
Okay, we're on Unicom.
You would traffic be advised,
Okay.
scattering operation in progress, 900,000 below.
I do kind of ask the question these days, what exactly does radar service gain me other than, say, airspace access?
Airspace access and then a third eye with, looking out for traffic potentially. You can't just totally rely on it, but it's extra information. I always get flight following. Religiously.
Eloy traffic up 11 is a high downwind runway 20, full stop Eloy.
You hear that wobble?
Yeah.
Payson traffic, Skyhawk 3514 uniform about 12 miles to the southwest. You're going to enter a right traffic for runway 24. Payson traffic. I love flying up over here. Going north is so much prettier than going down to Tucson.
Agreed.
Alrighty, we're across the center line and we're just about at pattern altitude. Payson traffic, Skyhawk 3514 uniform, entering 6 mile downwind for runway 24, right traffic, Payson traffic.
There's a campground here. Look at that.
There's actually a campground on the airfield, I think, right?
There is.
That'd be pretty cool to do someday. See, and the terrain is misleading here because the airport's actually higher, so you don't want to go off the terrain.
It is.
Alright, and we'll go flaps 20. And flaps 20 indicated. 75 knots.
The flag at Home Depot confirms a direct crosswind.
Perfect. That's a good, it's a good check.
So show me 65 till you're 10 feet off the ground.
Alrighty. Full flaps. Yep, there's that crosswind. Full flaps indicated. I don't know if I'll be able to show you 65. Let's see.
Payson traffic.
Plus 5 would be fine.
4 taxiing from self-serve fuel to runway.
Yeah, when you're hearing that. Go sideways. Nasty wheel shimmy.
Yeah.
Are we down yet?
Yeah, we're down. I don't know we're just gonna roll it out.
Yes, we are.
Payson traffic, Sky 3514 uniform, rolling out on the runway. Caution birds in the direct vicinity of the runway. Payson traffic. Jeez Louise, that was nuts.
Thanks for that ICM.
I was thinking about, I might want to go around, and I'm like, well, there's birds flying directly in front of me. I'm just going to land.
Yeah.
Looks like we'll probably have to push into that spot next to the nicely polished one.
Echo, sure. That's the 180. That's a classic.
Look at the logo, too, on the back. That's gorgeous.
Yep.